Hey, welcome to my channel, Beauty by Bordeaux, or welcome back if you are a subscriber. My name is Leanna, and on this channel, I mainly do makeup reviews, makeup get ready with me's, and nail design videos. There might be the occasional hair video here and there. So today, in this video, it was June 13th, 2023. So this was a few days after my new job. That was a brand new shirt I got from Walmart. I think I got it for $5. And those nails that I'm wearing were my very first time doing a full set using Build-A-Gel in the bottle, which is also called BIAB. Yes, Build-A-Gel in the bottle. And then on top of it, I put like this really pretty pink to like dark pink color changing polish. So right now you're just seeing me doing my brows. I will do my brows multiple different ways. Some days I do pomade, some days I'll only do gel, some days I'll do the pencil. So yeah, it just really depends on my mood. But yeah, like I said, this is really just going to be another get ready with me for a day at work. So you're just going to see me do my makeup and my very bad shots, very bad angles, and sorry. Like, this is an older video and some YouTubers refilm it. I don't have the time to refilm it. YouTube is a hobby of mine. It's not my career. I repeat, it's not my career. It's something that I've done. I've always liked makeup and nails and being pretty and looking pretty. Some days I'll be looking like a bum, but overall, yeah, I really enjoy just looking cute. So what you're going to see me do is just do my eye makeup. I usually always start off with my eye makeup first, and then I'll go in with my foundation. Very rarely will I do it the opposite way, where I'll do my foundation first and then my eyeshadow. Very, very rarely, unless I'm rushing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please let me know what you think of my new intro and outro. I just created it. I did get a few feedbacks from it, so I'm hoping that you guys like it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so now we are finishing up the look. I'm just putting on some lip gloss. This is the Kiki's Cosmetics Caramel Macchiato scent. And now I'm finished with my makeup. I'm just going to take a few pictures on my phone. And I believe I will be inserting some of them at the end of this video. Yeah, my whole face is done. It's time for me to get ready, go to work. I'm gonna do some poses for y'all and take my hit. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.